check out from our hotel in Taichung. This hotel was really cool. For now we're gonna grab our suitcases and bags and we're going to the rental car, which will bring us into the nature of Taiwan.
As you might be able to tell, we're not in a rental car. Credit card had to be valid for 6 months. After return of the car, it was only valid for 3 months. So we didn't get the car. So now we have to try to get there by public transport. The hotels we picked out, they're not very conveniently located for public transport. So we will have to see how far we can get. And otherwise we'll have to take a taxi of some kind. We've got all day and we'll see how it goes. Now we're on a high-speed train again. I like high-speed trains, that's always fun. We're taking high-speed to Chiai and then we'll try to find a bus that will bring us closer to our destination, and otherwise we'll have to take a taxi. We made it to Chiai and now we're waiting for the bus to take us into the mountains. The bus ride should be about 2 hours and it's the bus to Alishan, but we're not stopping there. We're getting off a little bit earlier.
Buses are clearly not going too often for the Alishan route, so make sure you plan ahead of time.
This is going to be, it's around 1 o'clock and this is already the latest bus heading that direction for today. Not too excited about a 2-hour bus ride through the mountains. Rather have driven ourselves, but oh well. At least there's a plan B. Plan C would be getting the taxi and that would be about 40 euros. We made it onto the bus. We had like 50 minutes to figure things out and everything went pretty smooth, all things considered. We looked all this up beforehand as well because we had considered coming to this place by bus anyway.
You do need an easy card, which you can buy at 7-Eleven or a family mart.
Yeah, but you need those for public transport anyway in Taipei or anywhere else.
I saw someone paying with cash as well.
Yeah,
so
you can pay by cash, but no change. We're slowly making our way up the mountain and the views are just amazing. And as much as I enjoy driving a car through the mountains, it's also nice to just sit back and look out the window for a while. Ooh, we should have packed less. We still have to walk like 15 minutes to the hotel. And it's dangerous with all the cars and buses. Hello, bus. And we're at an altitude of about 1300 meters. So I'm just gonna claim that the air is thinner and it has nothing to do with my general fitness.
Okay, so that was quite a hike uphill on the highway here, kinda sideway of the highway. And it's pretty scary because there's not a lot of space to walk here. But luckily the way is closed from the other side. Only buses can get through. So it's not that crowded here. And we won't have any problems parking here either because we don't have a car. Guys, we made it to the sunrise. Where there's a will, there's a way. We got here around 3 o'clock and I think we're here. Yeah. It's a lovely homestay. We made it to the hotel and it's actually at a tea farm. It's so pretty here. We're going to do a small walk in the tea plantation, which takes about 20 minutes, she said. We don't really have much time for anything else and we don't have a rental car to go somewhere else. So we're going to enjoy the beautiful view here. I think she meant 5 minutes down, 50 minutes up. It's all just stairs.
climb back up this never-ending stair. Oh. I think tonight we're having hot pot.
I think this is the kind of thing that I love the most while traveling.
Eating?
You never know where you end up.
And food.
And food.
Wasabi tofu.
Oh.
Ooh.
Wasabi tofu. And we got some pork. We eat the leaf or don't we eat the leaf? Yeah, leave the string. It's only a string, isn't it?
Yeah. Take it off.
Yeah, the pork looks insanely good. It just falls apart. It's boiling.
We made it back to the village. They were so sweet. They brought us from the Airbnb to the village, which otherwise would have taken about 15 minutes of walking. And today we're taking a bus to Alishan, which should be about 50 minutes further into the mountains. So that's gonna be fun times. Well, you can already see the bus up there.
This is going to be fun.
Yeah, great. We made it to Alishan. Yeah.
We did it!
We stood in line for a bus, but the bus was full. So together with two very nice German ladies, we ended up taking a taxi to get here.
And now we're at the bus station, and the shuttle bus to the hotel is already waiting for us. It leaves in about 10 minutes, so we're here to enjoy the good view.
Yeah. The bus that we didn't end up taking is also here.
5 minutes after us.
5 minutes after us. And we're at an altitude now of 2,200 meters. And I think the highest peaks are at 2,600 meters.
Hopping into the bus. Yeah. On the bus.
Now we're taking the shuttle bus to get to the hotel. I think at some point we'll need to buy a ticket for the park. But we'll do that later. Okay, well, when we tried getting into the park with the shuttle bus, someone came on board and helped us to get some tickets.
To the hotel. The weather is great. In the sun it's like 10 degrees. In the shadows it's like 5 degrees. It's so cold. So we switched gear. And we're going to go back to the train station right now to buy a train ticket for tomorrow morning when we go on a train for a sunrise view, which is going to be amazing. And for today, after buying the train ticket, we're gonna grab some lunch here somewhere. And then we're going to walk around in the nature here behind me, which takes about 3 hours. We're at the train station and it's a train departing just now, but we're going to take the morning train. So we're just here for the view.
So there are different trains. There are trains that go all the way to Chai, where it takes like 5 hours by train. There are also trains that just go around this park.
I honestly didn't know beforehand. I didn't know the train schedules. It was pretty hard to look up. But you found a good website, so we'll put it in the description below.
Taiwan Obsessed. These trains, they're originally mine trains. And they're on 760 millimeter gauge. So very small tracks.
You're gonna love it here so much.
We will see. First some food.
The air is so clear here. For me, it feels a bit like Austria, walking around with a cold nose because it is pretty cold here, but there's a really nice sun to warm you up a little bit. The air is so clear and it's full of nature here. Love it.
Lovely. And I like it here because there are trains everywhere. It's got tofu, fried rice, beans, and some beef. It's super tasty.
It's so tasty, especially the snow peas. I know that's what they said on the menu. And I love the fried rice and I love the tofu. Beef's also nice, but the tofu is my favorite.
Yeah, I like the tofu too. That was some lovely food, and now we're getting ready for a short hike through the park. If you're wondering what the size of Alishan is, well, this is all of it. There's some parking. You can see the train station in the back, and there are some restaurants. There's a couple of hotels that are a little bit outside, and we have to take the shuttle bus to get there. But this is it.
That's the visitor center all the way over there. It's really cool. You can get into a tree. There, guys. The monkeys are so close. Monkeys.
Yeah, quite a few of these giant trees. There was a lot of logging here in the earlier 20th century, but it stopped after around 1945. And the giant trees that are still left, are left because they were crooked or had holes in them. So they couldn't be used for logging. Like this one has a big hole in the middle. think we made it to the end of the route. In total it was like 3, maybe 4 kilometers, very easy going. And we're so lucky because there's a train. And we can take the train back to the other place. It doesn't really matter, we could walk, it's not far.
We're taking the train back to the hotel. You can even open the windows here during the ride.
Amazing.
So fun.
Such a tiny train.
It's so fun. They've got these cute illustrations on the ground as well. And also on the ceiling. We're leaving.
达2216公尺的阿里山车站，全长1.6公里，车程约6分钟。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Alishan Forest Railway. This is a local train departing from Jiangxing Station and an elevator.
We made it back. That was such fun. It went slow. It was not quite comfortable.
I think we did really well on taking it back instead of going there because this is like the main station and very busy, but this was really nice and relaxed and there weren't that many people on our coach, so
No.
yay!
Yeah, I loved it. We're taking a shuttle bus back to the hotel. It's nice and comfortable.
I'm pretty tired. It was a great walk, but loads of steps.
As for leg space on buses like this, there is leg space, but not for my legs. Good morning. It's now not even 5 o'clock in the morning, and we're waiting to get a shuttle to take us to the train because we're gonna have a look at the sunrise this morning. It is cool to be in a forest in the middle of the night. Well, in the forest next to a hotel, but see, it's actually dark. I'm gonna wait inside. I'm making it look like I'm waiting outside, but I'm not waiting outside. I'm gonna be inside in the warmth. It's about 5 degrees outside now.
It's 5 in the morning and we're going to take the train at Alishan Station to see the sunset.
Lots of people already on the platform.
It's so crowded.
And there's a whole queue.
Hopefully it's not only one train.
Yay.
We got checked. We're on our way.
Time to get off the train. That was a good half hour on the train. We made it, but the train was absolutely chock full. We're going up and it's 8 degrees, so it's already warming up. There's a whole viewing platform here and a lot of people eagerly awaiting the sunrise.
Getting there. Wow. It's there. Wow. Sun's finally here. It's about 6:50 now and the skies are completely clear, so we're very lucky. It's so nice and warm.
That was fun. And now we bought some tickets for the way back because the tickets are always one way. Hopefully we'll be able to sit on the next train. Thank you.
or tea farm.
Tea plantation.
Tea plantation.
We shared the taxi not with 2 German girls, but with 1 German and 1 Austrian girl. I like to keep the record straight. Now, where did Miriam go?